Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming what kind of headset you have, wired 3, 5mm, USB, or a wireless dongle, because the fix path depends on that. Once done, power on your Xbox Series S and sign into your profile so settings apply to you. Make sure the headset is physically connected, into the controller, into the console, or paired with the dongle. Listen for the connection cue. If you don't hear anything, reseat the plug firmly and try another port before moving on. Now navigate to Settings, Profile and System, then General, then Volume and Audio Output. This is where you change how the console sends sound to the headset. Set headset audio to stereo uncompressed for standard headsets. If you have spatial-capable hardware, test Windows Sonic and switch back if distortions occur. Once done, adjust headset chat mixer so game and chat balance correctly, then enable or tweak mic monitoring so you can hear yourself. These steps force the console to route audio properly and reveal whether software settings were the issue. Finish by restarting both the console and the controller. This clears transient glitches. After reboot, join a party and run a quick in-game audio test. Make sure chat and game audio behave as expected. If problems persist, update the controller firmware under Devices and Connections, Accessories, because outdated firmware blocks audio. Finally, verify hardware by trying another headset or plugging your controller into a different Xbox. If audio works there, the console or headset is at fault. If not, replace the headset or controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.